fitness. In this exercise we will edit our surface to remove triangles manually. If you can see, when we will put our surface in Civil 3D, it takes some extra triangles at the edges which we need to eliminate and which we need to finish to make accurate surface. So how can we do that? By using edit surface commands in Civil 3D. First of all, you can download this drawing from the description link for 10, which you can open and you will see a surface which we are working. Now note that if you have level of detail turned on, you will want to turn it off by going to the view tab here, and on the viewport tools, if it is green, then you must need to click and turn it off before this exercise. So now you can see it's off already. So we can move to the exercise. Select the surface by clicking on it. From the TIN surface, existing surface contextual tab, you need to select surface properties. You need to go edit surface, and then we have delete line. At the select edges here, you need to put F enter to use the fence selection mode. Okay. In the face selection mode, we will draw a multi-segment selection line, and any object that cross the line will be selected. So now pick close to the center of the circle label A. Here I mark some circles which you can use through the exercise. First, we need to go to select circle A. You can put anywhere in the circle A, something like here, and then B. Then press enter and again press enter to eliminate your contours. So you can see we can remove lines using fencing selection mode by delete line command actually. So note that only triangle visible on screen will be removed. In other words, if you zoom or pan such that some of the triangle you selected are not visible in your drawing area, they will not be removed from the surface definition. So be sure to zoom out so that points A or B are visible before proceeding this our next step. Now we need to repeat same process for the another edges. Here it is our A, B, C, D. Now we need to select C, D, but before press right F and press enter and select one point here, again here, double enter. Okay, so C, D, F, G, E, F. We need to select E, F. F enter, double enter. So these are all our extra contour which we need to delete. G, H, I, J, from I to J actually, sorry here. And then we have some extra contour here also. K, L, F enter, F enter. You can use single line selection, but it will delete just single lines. That's why I'm using fence mode. With fence mode you can delete many lines at once. So you can use your best judgment to remove remaining extra news triangles on this drawing, and you can make practice. In the next exercise we will also edit surface by swapping edges of triangles. Stay tuned.